Hello, the name of my change project is Improving Industry Institute Interaction. This is Dr. Gaurang S. Patkar, Associate Professor. I'm currently working as Head of Computer Engineering Department at Don Bosco College of Engineering, Goa. What are the four things that come to our mind when I say Goa? Most people will say seaside beaches, churches, yummy seafood, and seashores. But beneath this calm surface, there is Goa with a different pace, wired differently, thinking beyond 9 to 5, beyond a set rhythm, beyond 2 plus 2 equal to 4. This is Goa that is dreaming, thinking, and creating. Don Bosco College of Engineering is located in Fatorda, a beautiful town in South Goa. Don Bosco College of Engineering was founded in 2011 under the Fatorda Salesian Society and is administered by the Salesians of Don Bosco, and it is open to all youth irrespective of caste or creed. The focus is education of the young, thoughts inspired by its founder, Saint Don Bosco, who is better known as the father and teacher of youth. Faculties are encouraged to follow Don Bosco's Prevent You system, a faith and value-based educational system. Our institute's vision focuses on innovative education, training, and career development for tomorrow's workforce. We have over 1,200 students and around 70 teaching staff members occupying a very beautiful campus. In the computer engineering department, we have around 14 well-qualified and experienced faculty members. 2 faculty members are with PhD and 4 are pursuing PhD. Some of my faculty members come from an industry background. We have total 9 laboratories with well-equipped facilities. The aim of my project is improving industry institute interaction. The scope of this project is to improve the quality of industry institute interaction to make our students industry ready. The objectives are increase in collaboration with industry, increase rate of campus placements and internships, increase in utilization of college resources. This project is needed for several reasons. A few being to be a center of excellence for research and consultancy, to develop good work culture in students, to foster research work and develop laboratories, to facilitate discussions and develop lectures on industrial practices. If this is not done, it would not bring the institute and industry emotionally and strategically closer. The journey started with the formation of Internal Quality Assessment Cell, whose primary investigations showed that our placement rate was low, internship ratio was poor, student employment quality was also poor, revenue generating activities was nil, and there was practically no research and development. To achieve the objective, I designed the following project plan. Identify the talents and key qualities in my faculty members. Assign responsibilities and give them the freedom to execute tasks independently. Faculty members executed the assigned work. Internal audit was conducted to assess the outcome. Any difficulties faced during this process were addressed by me, and with their cooperation, we managed to overcome the odds. Having a good reward system keeps employees happy, loyal, and eager to move up the ladder. Project Impact. We signed 7 MOUs with leading institutes and industry. We conducted 10 seminars and 8 workshops with eminent speakers from industry. We conducted field trips to reputed industries. We organized an industry academia event called DBCE Dream Big so that industry personnel could convey their expectations to our students. The output of this event was very fruitful. We had live discussion with Mr. Girish Berne, who is the Vice President of Persistent System Limited. We also had interaction with Mr. Shravan Hegde, who is the CEO of Hunstead. We have several successful international interactions with the following speakers. Dr. Karim Tobish, who is the head of Cybersecurity and Compliance Consultancy, United Kingdom. Dr. Alekis Eftimios, who is the Associate Professor in Greece. And Mr. T. Kartiswaran, who is a lecturer working in University of Jaffna, Sri Lanka. We organized a 1-week online IST-approved short-term training program on recent trends in Industry 4.0 technologies in the month of July 2020. The workshop comprised of eminent speakers from premier institutes and top industry professionals, both international and national level. And sessions were on different Industry 4.0 technologies like blockchain, drone building, cybersecurity, AR, VR and 3D modeling, IoT, 3D printing systems, agent technology. This was a very successful event and appreciated by all the participants. We were also successful in organizing a knowledge summit in collaboration with the reputed Sharapse College, Royal University of Bhutan. The summit focused on sustainable growth in engineering and cross-national happiness and education system in Bhutan. We had over 50 participants attending this summit via online mode from all over the world. The motto of this summit is to further extend our collaborations with other institutes in terms of research and development. I believe that this will open new avenues for my department and my college. Project challenges. Challenge 1. Keeping teams on the same page. Managing a team that is widely spread out is a big challenge for me. Keeping my team on the same page will make things happen interactively. Each team member will know exactly what's going on, what they need to do, and what each of them are working towards. Challenge 2. Miscommunication or poor communication is on the biggest challenge. Good communication skills are highly necessary, no matter if you are giving instructions, asking questions or seeking information. Challenge 3. Inadequate skills among team members. As an head of department, I can create a perfect environment, but if my team does not possess the required skills, my project is bound to fail. These problems were overcome by me by facilitating open discussions among faculty, resolving conflicts by maintaining transparency and empathizing with the other person's point of view. To improve the skill set among faculty, I promote mentoring, encourage faculty to participate in faculty retreats and FTPs. Some important interpersonal skills that got me through this project are self-confidence. I believe self-confidence is very important in workplace. I promote self-confidence in myself and in my staff members. Open to feedback. Being open to feedback from my superiors or my juniors helps me to develop both personally and professionally. Listening. I feel it is very important to listen and empathize with my staff as it helps me to respond correctly. Participation. I think as a leader, it is important for me to focus more on relationship and less on direction. I often work along with my team in executing tasks and share their responsibilities. A few key behaviors that I had to apply to increase productivity of my team are being honest, being confident in my decision, create a reward program for staff members, address potential issues before they become problems, encourage creativity, and last but not the least, keeping lines of communication open. Results. We raised the profile of the department. Internships increased and placement rate also increased. We signed 7 MOUs in a short span of time. This collaboration between industry and institute has helped us immensely. There was a significant rise in student recruitment by 15%. 20% rise in student enrollment for internship. Students were motivated to become entrepreneurs. High priority given to staff to engage in programs with international peers. Internal revenue generation has increased by creating partnerships with industry by offering our equipment and services. To conclude, this entire program was a good learning experience for me as an individual and as a leader. As Henry Ford has rightly said, that coming together is a beginning and staying together is a progress and working together is success. I wish to continue using this approach to raise the level of activity and work done in research and consultancy in my department and institute. I would like to express my gratitude to UKRE team, AICTE and Dudley College London for this fantastic program. This program has improved my leadership skills and is another feather in my cap. I have forged many strong connections during this program with the mentors and other participants, which I will cherish forever. Thank you.